God, look at the ad that you got on the right there. Oreo churros.
Oh, that looks great.
Holy, what do you even do with that? What? It's in the frozen section. So it's ice cream in the middle. Damn. That's pretty cool. Apple has been hit with an EU antitrust charge over its NFC payment technology. Apple said to have restricted third-party access to key technology necessary to develop rival mobile wallet solutions on Apple's devices. This whole walled garden thing, not as easy as it sounds. You try to make your thing. You try to say it's about security. You try to give people a certain experience. And then the antitrust guys come in there and they say, you got to open this up. You can't.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder, like even with Tesla, because they're having those meetings about the electrification
their supercharger network.
America. And it was only a matter of time if they continue to be successful that those antitrust types could be like, yeah, you can't just have all this proprietary stuff going on.
Yeah, the thing you're doing, do the opposite.
Yeah, open it up. But I think they were a little bit proactive in a sense that they said, okay, yeah, we're going to open it up. Apple, on the other hand, has been resistant. The whole Epic situation, everything else, and they use the security component and the privacy component as the main defense for why you wouldn't want something to be opened up, because them controlling things like how payments are made on the phone, the App Store, et cetera, they claim that's the essence of the experience on the device. That they sell it as being secure, and if they open these things up, then they're going to be susceptible, and their strategic advantage goes away. Apple faces a possible hefty fine and may open up its mobile payment system to competitors after EU antitrust regulators charged the iPhone maker with restricting rivals' access to its technology used for mobile wallets. This marks the second EU charge against Apple after EU regulators last year accused the company of distorting competition in the music streaming market following a complaint from Spotify. The European Commission said on Monday it had sent a charge sheet known as a statement of objections to Apple detailing how the company had abused its dominant position in markets for mobile wallets on iOS devices. Yeah, I mean, we got to have options for mobile wallets, I guess, for mobile payments if I want to use something else. But what I don't understand is, can I not just put Google Pay and such on an iPhone? I can, right? I don't know. I haven't used an iPhone exclusively in a while, but I feel like it's in the iOS App Store. Is it?
I believe so. Could be wrong, but
Apple Pay is only one of many options available to European consumers for making payments and has ensured equal access to NFC while setting industry-leading standards for privacy and security, the company said in a statement. I mean, I knew they were going to say that.
They got to put that in there.
I knew they were going to say that. But I guess I still want options. Like whenever I've got a Samsung phone, like I do right now, I have Samsung Pay, I have Google Pay. I have both. You're saying why? Well, I like to get to the bottom of which I prefer, and for whatever reason. I was at the Jays game yesterday and on Saturday. I was 2 days in a row. I was over there. Shout out to everybody I met at the rec room, if you were there, and at the game. But I was able to put my Ticketmaster tickets right into Google Pay, and it was from the Ticketmaster app. So I'm inside the Ticketmaster app. I accepted the tickets because it was a whole team that went, and they all ordered it together. And so I accepted tickets, which were transferred over to me, and then I immediately clicked just add to Google Pay. So I didn't need to like make an account, nothing. And I put it into, maybe I have a Ticketmaster account. It doesn't matter. It went right into my Google Pay. So then it's, for me, just like a double tap, and then I'm scanning. And I don't have to go back through my email or download a Ticketmaster app that I'm not going to use very frequently. The Samsung Pay option wasn't there. Now, I'm sure Apple Pay has similar options, but what I'm trying to say is if one app innovates or creates connections with other apps that makes it easier to use for whatever reason, I want that feature. I want to be using whatever, for me, I perceive as being the best. And the only way for that to happen is to have a competitive marketplace where companies are able to even do that. So I get it. I think there are certain circumstances that do require this type of inquiry.